Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can skip forward or skip backwards the audio tracks that you're listening to with your Apple AirPods and AirPods Pro. So I'll start with the AirPods Pro. It's really simple. On the force sensor, just give it a double tap and that will skip forward. If you tap it 3 times, that will skip backward. So really easy and simple with those AirPods Pro. Now with the AirPods first or second generation, it's going to be a little bit different based on which ones you have. So with the second generation, what a double tap on the AirPods will do is if the audio content is currently paused, it will play the audio, but if the audio is currently playing, then it will skip forward at that point. This is not the double tap feature that's standard in the AirPods first generation. That is going to summon Siri if you do the double tap. Now, if you want to go in and change what the double tap feature does on either the left or right AirPod, you're going to have to open up those settings, and it's really easy to get there. So when you open up your AirPods case on your iPhone, it'll show the settings, go to Bluetooth, and then tap on this icon that's right next to your particular AirPods in the list of devices. And then at that point, you can go in and change what the double tap does on either the first or second generation, and then you can select the left or right AirPod. And those different features are listed right here. So you can have the double tap do skip to next track, or you can go back to the previous track. So if you want, for instance, you could have the right AirPod have the double tap do the next track, and maybe the left AirPod, when you double tap, it would go to the previous track. Maybe something like that is how you could set those up if it's something you're interested in doing. So that's the different ways that you can go about setting up either skipping forward or going back tracks that you're listening to with your Apple AirPods or AirPods Pro. I appreciate you guys stopping by for this video. Consider subscribing, and I hope to catch you guys back here next time.